Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add Forza Horizon 6 from Xbox app to Steam library on your PC. So doing this is pretty easy. First, find Forza Horizon 6 in your Xbox app. After that, click on these three dots, then go to manage, under it select files and then select browse. Now once this folder opens, we need to select Forza Horizon 6 folder, then go to content folder. Inside it, we need to find Forza Horizon 6 exe file. So select this file and hold shift on your keyboard and right click. After that, you should be able to find this copy as path option. So select it and then the path will be copied. Now we need to go to Steam. After that, click on add a game and then select add a non-Steam game. Now pick any of the program from here. I'll select this one. Then select add selected program. And now the program will be added. So select the program from here, right click on it, then go to properties. Inside, we need to firstly name it as Forza Horizon 6. After that, paste the path we just copied from file explorer. So here it is. Then we need to remove this .exe, but make sure to keep these quotations. After that, remove this start in, and then we just need to change the logo. For that, click on the shortcut icon. Then browse the Forza app logo. So here it is. I need to select it, then click on open. Now the icon will be changed and now you can just close this window and play the Forza Horizon 6 in your Steam library. If for some reason this step doesn't work for you, then there is another workaround. For that, again go to Xbox app, then we need to click on these three dots for Forza Horizon 6, then go to manage, select files, go to browse and now open Forza Horizon 6 folder. Open content. Inside it, we need to find game launch helper. So select this, hold shift on your keyboard while holding it, right click and then select copy as path. Now we need to repeat the same process. Open Steam, select add a game. Now select add non-Steam game. After that, pick any of the program. I'll select this one, then select add selected programs. Now we need to select the added program, right click on it, go to properties. Inside, we need to again rename it as Forza Horizon 6. Now paste the path we just copied. So this was the path remove.exe, but keep these quotations. Now remove this start in as well. Add the shortcut icon. So this is the one. Then select open and now you can close this window and play Forza Horizon 6. If you want to change the background and logo, then right click on this background, then select set custom background. Make sure to select all files. Now choose the banner and then the background will be changed. I also want to change this logo. For that, right click on the logo, then select set custom logo. Select the logo and hit open. Now if I click on play, the game will be started. But keep in mind that the game has been added as a non-Steam game, which means you won't find any achievements, playing hours or stop button here. And if you want to access any Steam only feature, then you won't be able to do that because the game has been added as a non-Steam game and it won't give you Steam features. So this is the process. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.